Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 10282 County Route 92 on beautiful Loon Lake.
This is a rare and spectacular Loon Lake building lot, one of the last ones ever available.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is a nature's paradise. On over an acre with 100 feet of pristine lake-level waterfront for exceptional privacy. Truly a relaxing and serene place. Build that beautiful family compound. We can custom design your dream home. Imagine the possibilities. A beautiful open floor plan encompassing a granite kitchen. Amazing one-floor living. How about an elegant owner's suite with a tray ceiling? The possibilities are endless.
This is nature at its best. You may see the loons on the water, and with this exceptional location, this is where the best memories are made.
Waterfront activities are a blast on Loon Lake.
Loon Lake is a Finger Lakes gem, the next Canandaigua Lake to invest in now. Nearby wine country and everything that the Finger Lakes region has to offer. What a great place to live!
Could you imagine building your dream home here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 10282 County Route 92 on gorgeous Loon Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!